Welcome everyone. Last lecture we have studied some preparation reactions of amines. Okay. Now today I am going to teach you the remaining two preparation reaction of amines. त्यामध्ये first preparation of amines from alkyl halide, and this reaction is also known as the Gabriel-Thalamide synthesis reaction. This is the name reaction. And a scientist, this reaction is discovered by the scientist. Therefore, this reaction is by the honor. This reaction is also called the Gabriel-Thalamide synthesis reaction. आणि शोधून काढलेले सन्मान म्हणून त्या रिएक्शनलाच नाव दिलेले त्या सायंटिस्ट. त्या रिएक्शनला म्हणतात गॅब्रियल-थॅलामाइड सिंथेसिस रिएक्शन्स. ओके. आता या रिएक्शन मध्ये बघा काय होते. इन दिस रिएक्शन द थॅलामाइड Thalamide structure the same benzene ring which is attached to carbonyl group at the adjacent positions and then one amine. Okay, secondary amine which is reacting alcoholic potassium hydroxide. Okay, now this okay, thalamide react with alcoholic potassium hydroxide. Now in this state the proton from the NH group is replaced by K positive from the alcoholic KOH and to form the corresponding potassium salt of thalamide. Okay, now in this product this benzene ring additives, two carbonyl groups are additives, then nitrogen additives. Only proton is removed by the K positive from the alcoholic KOH and to form the potassium salt of thalamide. Is it clear? Thalamide. And which on heating is salt, which on heating with the given alkyl halide. कोणताही alkyl halide असू शकतो. Then which on heating with given alkyl halide. Then alkyl halide containing alkyl group replace the K positive from this potassium salt of thalamide and to form the corresponding product, that is the N alkyl. Two carbonyl group additive. Two carbonyl group additive. N additive. Only K positive is replaced by alkyl group and to form the product is N alkyl. Nitrogen ला alkyl group attached आहे. N alkyl thalamide किंवा thalamide. Okay, thalamide. And which on hydrolysis with aqueous NaOH, which on hydrolysis with aqueous NaOH and to form the corresponding primary amines are NH2 along with the primary amine, aliphatic primary amine, along with side product is benzene ring additive, two carbonyl group additive, ONA positive negative, C double bond ONA negative and NA positive. The name of this side product is sodium phthalate. Sodium phthalate. Okay, बघा या रिएक्शन मध्ये काय होते. In this reaction the thalamide react with alcoholic potassium hydroxide. Then in this state proton from the NH group is removed by the K positive from the alcoholic alkali, that is KOH, and to form the corresponding potassium salt of thalamide which on heating with the given alkyl halide. Then alkyl halide containing alkyl group replaced by the K positive and to form the corresponding N alkyl thalamide and which on hydrolysis with alkali, that is NaOH, and to form the main product, that is the aliphatic primary amine RNH2 along with the side product is sodium sodium phthalate, and this overall reaction is known as Gabriel calamine synthesis reaction. Okay, now in this reaction या reaction चे महत्त्वाचे काय advantages आहेत की in this reaction to avoid the over alkylation, therefore secondary and tertiary amine does not prepared, you do not get prepared, only primary amine is prepared. Okay, या ठिकाणी second या ठिकाणी in this reaction बघा in this reaction to avoid the over alkylation, hence secondary and tertiary amines cannot prepare, only primary amine is prepared. Primary amine is prepared. Okay, या ठिकाणी काय तयार होते, only primary amines तयार होते, not secondary, not tertiary. Due to in this reaction to avoid the over alkylation, hence secondary and tertiary amines cannot be prepared. Only या ठिकाणी only primary amines is prepared. यात फक्त only primary amine. This is the advantage of secondary and tertiary amine तयार होत असते. Second आहे, this method किंवा this reaction is useful for the preparation of, अतिशय महत्वाचा पॉइंट आहे, this reaction is useful for the preparation of, this reaction is useful for the preparation of only primary aliphatic primary amines. Okay, या रिएक्शनचं हे लक्षात ठेवा. This reaction is most useful for the preparation of only aliphatic primary amine, and by this method do not prepare the aromatic amines. Aromatic primary amine cannot do not prepared by this method because aryl halide do not undergoes a nucleophilic substitution reaction with anion formed by thaliamides. काय सांगितलं तुम्हाला त्या ठिकाणी की अरील अमाइन म्हणजे अरील प्रायमरी अमाइन त्यामध्ये फर्स्ट कोणते एक्झाम्पल, ॲनिलीन cannot be prepared because aryl group किंवा त्या ठिकाणी बेंजीन ring do not undergoes nucleophilic substitution reactions with anion or of phthalate. बघा, by this method array प्राइमरी त्यामध्ये आणली cannot be prepared by this method because benzene do not undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction with aniline foreign of thalinomides किंवा इन thalinomides. हे लक्षात ठेवा की या मेथडने एकच अमाइन तयार होतो तो म्हणजे ॲलिफॅटिक प्रायमरी अमाइन्स. ही रिएक्शन महत्वाची, किमान या रिएक्शन वरती 2 मार्कासाठी तरी क्वेश्चन विचारला जातो. ओके, त्यानंतर जे मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट अँड लास्ट रिएक्शन आहे ती म्हणजे प्रिपरेशन ऑफ अमाइन्स फ्रॉम अमाइड. प्रिपरेशन ऑफ अमाइन्स फ्रॉम अमाइड. प्रिपरेशन ऑफ अमाइन्स फ्रॉम अमाइड. लास्ट प्रिपरेशन रिएक्शन आहे अमाइनची, ती म्हणजे प्रिपरेशन ऑफ अमाइन्स फ्रॉम अमाइड. and this reaction is also known as Hofmann-Bromide degradation reactions. Okay, आता या रिएक्शनचे काही महत्त्वाचे इम्पॉर्टंट पॉइंट्स आहेत ते पण सगळे. This reaction is an example of molecular rearrangement reaction. Molecular rearrangement reaction. Okay, त्यानंतर this reaction is useful to the preparation of primary amines from amide which is contain one carbon less than amine. Okay, this reaction is useful to the preparation of primary amines from amide which is contain one carbon atom less than amide. Okay, then third in this reaction alkyl or aryl group migrate from carbonyl carbon to amine group. Carbonyl carbon group to amine groups. Okay, and this baga, these are the main important point of this reaction. This reaction is an example of molecular rearrangement reactions. Okay, in this reaction is useful to the preparation of amines from amide which is containing one carbon atom less than the amide. Okay, and in this reaction alkyl or aryl group migrate from carbonyl carbon to amine groups. Okay, these are the main important point of these reactions. Okay, आता आपण example बघू, one or more example इथे बघू. Is it clear? Okay. Example CS3 C double bond O NH2 acetamide, okay, is warmed with bromine, Br2, and aqueous or alcoholic concentrated, NaOH or KOH. या ठिकाणी अल्कली कोणताही घेऊ शकतो आपण, KOH, aqueous घ्या किंवा अल्कोहोलिक घ्या. पण हे कसं आहे, aqueous or alcoholic alkali. To balance the reaction, there are 4 molecules of alkali are required to balance this reaction. Okay, warming means there in this reaction बघा, in this reaction डायरेक्ट लक्षात ठेवायचं, in this reaction this alkyl group migrate from carbon to amine groups, okay, and to form the product is CH3NH2. That means in this reaction carbonic group completely removed. काय होतो, carbonic group completely removed होतो, and then alkyl group direct migrate from carbonyl carbon to amine group, okay, to form the corresponding amine, that is the common name is methyl amine. Is it clear? Along with side product is twice KBr plus K2CO3, K2CO3. बघा या ठिकाणी twice KBr K2CO3 टोटल ऑक्सिजन किती आहेत या ठिकाणी 4L5, ओके, हायड्रोजन या ठिकाणी 3 ऑक्सिजन गेले, रिमेनिंग 2 ऑक्सिजन मीन्स along with the 2 water molecule as a side product, okay. बघा in this reaction the amine product is prepared which is contain one carbon atom less than the initial amines, okay. आणि या रिएक्शन मध्ये in this reaction बघा काय होते, सिंपली आहे, in this reaction this carbonyl group completely removed and then alkyl group directly attached to the amine and to form our desired product, that is the methyl amine. Along with side product is twice KBr plus K2Cr2 plus twice H2. This is most important reactions, okay. कुठलाही amide असेल, amide plus अल्कोहोलिक और aqueous अल्कली असेल, त्यामध्ये KOH असेल किंवा NH असेल आणि Br2 असेल, then this is the Hofmann bromide degradation reaction, and in this reaction such a primary amine is prepared which contain one carbon atom less than the initial amide reactions, okay. And this reaction is an example of molecular rearrangement reaction. कारण या रिएक्शन दुसरं काय, फक्त मॉलिक्यूल मध्ये रिअरेंजमेंट होते, molecular, and in this reaction migrate the alkyl group from carbonyl carbon to amines, okay. Second example, one more example. C double bond benzamides. Now these benzamides react with warm with the bromine and alcoholic or aqueous KOH or NaOH. To balance the reaction, there are 4 aqueous or alcoholic KOH are required, okay. Then in this reaction का alkyl or alkyl migrate from carbonyl group to carbonyl carbon to NH2 group. यामध्ये काय alkyl group नाही, तर या ठिकाणी aryl group आहे, आणि तो काय होतो, migrate होतो from carbonyl carbon to NH2 group and to form the corresponding our desired amine, that is the name of this amine is aromatic amine is aniline, okay. Along with side product is twice KBr plus K2CO3 plus twice H2O. Is it clear? Now this is this reaction is known as the Hofmann bromide degradation reaction, okay. या reaction मध्ये काय, carbonyl group is completely removed and to form the corresponding aromatic primary amines. दॅट इज द एंजाइम. ओके, आपण याच्यामध्ये अजून एक वन मोर एक्झाम्पल घेतलं. प्रोपेन अमाइन म्हणजे काय, प्रोपेन अमाइन CH3CH2 C+1O NH2 प्रोपेन amide. It warm with Br2 and aqueous or alcoholic KOH. Aqueous or alcoholic KOH. Then in this reaction, alkyl group migrate from carbonyl carbon to NH2 and to form the corresponding primary action, that is the ethylamine. The name of this product is ethylamine plus twice KBr plus K2CO3 plus twice H2O. Reactions करते हैं reaction मध्ये. Now in this amine there are 3 carbon atoms and this amine which is contained there are only 2 carbon atoms. That means one carbon less containing amine is prepared from the amine. And this overall this reaction is known as Hofmann-Amide degradation reaction. Okay, ही रिएक्शन लगेच आयडेंटिफाय करता आली. अमाइड प्लस Br2 आणि अल्कोहोलिक किंवा ॲक्वायस होत असेल, अल्कोहोलिक असो किंवा ॲक्वायस दोन्ही चालते या ठिकाणी. त्या ठिकाणी आपल्याला काय मिळतो, एक अमाइन मिळतो which is contain one carbon atom less than the initial amide reactor. Is it clear? Okay. Now here the all preparation reaction of amines is over. Okay. Next point आहे physical properties of amines. amines physical property. The lower त्यामध्ये first properties आहे the lower aliphatic amines means contain 1 to 3 carbon atoms. 1 to 3 up to 3 carbon atom containing amines are called as the lower amines are colorless gases with fishy odor. त्याची fishy odor असते. त्यानंतर the primary amines having 3 or more carbon atoms are liquid. 3 आणि 3 पेक्षा जास्त कार्बन असतील. These are existing liquid state and higher ones are generally more than 10 carbon containing amines are existing in the solid states. Okay, then next aniline and aryl amines are colorless liquid. So liquid असते aniline घेतलं तर कुठल्या aryl amine घेतलं तर these are the colorless liquid, but when it is present in pure form. जर pure असेल तरच color असते, but it easily get oxidized by air and then to form the colored to form the colored liquids, that is colored liquid, because when they are easily get oxidized by air. Okay, then aryl amines, that is the aniline, are generally very toxic असते विषय. These are the main physical properties of amines. त्यावर next आहे solubility of amines. Solubility of amines. Okay, now this primary, secondary and tertiary amines can form the hydrogen bonding with water molecules. Therefore या ठिकाणी जर आपण बघितलं प्रायमरी amines, ओके, N hydrogen can form the hydrogen bonding with the water molecule. This is the water molecule and this is the amine. Primary, secondary and tertiary. या ठिकाणी again hydrogen. This primary, secondary and tertiary amine can form the intermolecular hydrogen bonding, intermolecular hydrogen bonding with water molecules, and therefore primary, secondary and tertiary amines having up to 6 carbon atoms are soluble in waters. Why? One question arises in your mind. Why? Why amines are soluble in waters? त्यामध्ये primary, secondary and tertiary amines are soluble in water because amines can form the intermolecular hydrogen bonding. This is the intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding with water molecule, and the amines having up to 5 to 6 carbon atoms are soluble in water. And the solubility, next point, solubility of amines decreases with increases of molar mass. बघा, मोलर मास वाढत जाणार तसं सोल्युबिलिटी काय होते या ठिकाणी. मोलर मास म्हणजे कार्बनचं नंबर ऑफ कार्बन इंक्रीजेस along with decrease the solubility of amines. Solubility of amines decreases with increases the molar mass of amines. That means increase the number of carbon atom in the amines to decrease the solubility of amines. Okay. Next, त्या ठिकाणी लक्षात ठेवा. However, solubility त्या ठिकाणी however solubility decreases with increase the molar mass of amines. आणि generally the amines are readily soluble in the organic solvent, just like ether, alcohol and benzenes. Amines soluble in organic solvent like ether, benzene, alcohol, etc. These are the main important points. लक्षात ठेवा. Amines readily soluble in organic solvent like ether, benzene, and alcohol, etc. Is it clear? Okay. Next important point आहे त्यामध्ये boiling point. लक्षात ठेवा. The amines is a polar molecule because the large electronegative difference in between these hydrogen atoms and nitrogen atom. Therefore, this is the polar molecule. Polarity of amines associated with the large electronegative difference in between the nitrogen and hydrogen atom. Okay, as like alcohol, the amines are associated together in bulk of matter through the intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Bulk of matter मध्ये काय होते? In bulk of matter, the many amines molecules are associated together like alcohol through the intermolecular hydrogen bonding in between the two amines molecules. Yes, is it clear? Okay, this is the hydrogen bonding. Okay, hydrogen bonding like alcohol. Alcohol में सुद्धा in alcohol bulk of alcohol matter किंवा bulk of alcohol matter number of alcohol molecules are associated together through the intermolecular hydrogen bonding, just like in amines. The amines molecule is also polar due to the large electronegative difference in between the nitrogen between the nitrogen and hydrogen atom, and therefore many amines molecules are associated together through the intermolecular hydrogen bonding. This is an hydrogen bonding denoted by the broken octet. Is it clear? Okay. Now this intermolecular hydrogen bonding is more extended in the primary amine. then secondary amine and tertiary amine do not have the intermolecular hydrogen bonding due to the absence of hydrogen atom on nitrogen atom. काय सांगितलं तुम्हाला? Again, this intermolecular hydrogen bonding more extended in primary amine than secondary amine. Secondary amine पेक्षा primary amine चे example तुम्हाला सांगतो. Primary amine, okay, primary amine R-En hydrogen. Primary amine contain there are 2 hydrogen atoms. Now secondary amine. Secondary amine R-NH are only 1 hydrogen atom. And tertiary amine. In tertiary amine, no hydrogen atom on nitrogen atom. Okay, no hydrogen atom on nitrogen atom. Therefore, this intermolecular hydrogen bonding more extended in primary amine due to the presence of there are 2 hydrogen atom on nitrogen. Okay, त्या ठिकाणी दुसरा एक अमाइन जर आला या ठिकाणी EH क्लियर. इज इट क्लियर? अशाच प्रकारे म्हणजे this more extended. Now in this case only 1 intermolecular hydrogen bonding is possible, just like this. Okay, and here no hydrogen atom is present on the nitrogen atom in tertiary amine. Therefore, in tertiary amine, intermolecular hydrogen bonding is not present. Okay, therefore, the boiling point of isomeric amines is an order of isomeric boiling point of isomeric amine is as. मग याच्यामध्ये काय आहे? प्रायमरी amine. The boiling point of primary amine is highest among them. Okay, then secondary amine. Last is the tertiary amine. Due to the absence of intermolecular hydrogen and bonding in tertiary amine. Why primary amine is the highest boiling point than the secondary and tertiary amine? Because in primary amine there are 2 hydrogen atoms present on the nitrogen atom. Therefore, more extended the intermolecular hydrogen bonding in primary amines, and as a result, to increase the boiling point of primary amine as compared to the secondary amine. And then secondary amine also have 1 intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Therefore, its boiling point is greater than the tertiary amine. In tertiary amine, the intermolecular hydrogen bonding is not present. The absence of, कारण इंटरमॉलिक्युलर हायड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग साठी कशाची गरज असते? तर हायड्रोजनची गरज असते. या ठिकाणी हायड्रोजन आहे का? ड्यू टू absence of hydrogen atom on nitrogen atom in tertiary amine, do not intermolecular hydrogen bonding is present, and hence tertiary amine has the least boiling point in than the secondary and primary amines. Is it clear? Okay. Now always remember that the electronegativity of nitrogen atom is lower than the oxygen atoms. या ठिकाणी, and therefore boiling point of amines is lower than the alcohol, but lower than the alcohol and carboxylic acid, but more than the आता यामध्ये बघितलं सगळ्यात कमी बॉइलिंग पॉइंट असतो अल्केन, त्यापेक्षा जास्त असतो अमाइन्स, आणि त्यापेक्षा जास्त असतो अल्कोहोल, आणि सगळ्यात जास्त असतो तर तो म्हणजे कार्बोक्सिलिक ऍसिड. कार्बोक्सिलिक ऍसिड या ठिकाणी सगळ्यात जास्त बॉइलिंग पॉइंट असतो कार्बोक्सिलिक ऍसिड, त्यापेक्षा कमी असतो अल्कोहोलचा, अल्कोहोलपेक्षा कमी असतो अमाइन, सगळ्यात लिस्ट बॉइलिंग पॉइंट असतो अल्केन. कारण इन अल्केन इंटरमॉलिक्युलर हायड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग इज नॉट पॉसिबल, देयरफॉर अल्केन हैज least boiling point. Okay, in this way. Now we hear the complete physical properties of amine is over. म्हणजे या तासामध्ये आपण all preparation reactions of amines याचा स्टडी केलेला आहे. त्यामध्ये प्रिपरेशन ऑफ amines फ्रॉम ॲलिफॅटिक और ॲरोमॅटिक नायट्रो कंपाउंड्स. दुसरं प्रिपरेशन ऑफ amines फ्रॉम नायट्राइट्स using a reducing agent, that is sodium in ethanol or lithium aluminum hydride in ether. Third, preparation of amines from amide. Then preparation of amines from alkyl halide. This reaction is known as Gabriel-Thalamain synthesis reactions. आणि लास्ट रिएक्शन बघितली आपण त्यामध्ये प्रिपरेशन रिएक्शन हॉफमन ब्रोमाइड डिग्रेडेशन रिएक्शन. Yes, all reactions are very important in board exam point of view किंवा नीट और CET एक्झाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. या सर्व प्रिपरेशन रिएक्शनचा डिटेल व्यवस्थित स्टडी करा. 2 or 3 ॲटलिस्ट 2 or 3 टाइम्स तुमच्या होमवर्कच्या नोटबुकमध्ये राईट करा. जितकं तुम्ही राईट कराल तितकं तुमच्या रिएक्शन परफेक्ट होईल. कारण वी नो दॅट द प्रॅक्टिस मेक्स मॅन परफेक्ट. हे फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज, त्यामध्ये फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीचे एक ऑर्डर लक्षात ठेवा. द बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ऑर्डर ऑफ आयसोमेरिक अल्कोहोल इज होते फर्स्ट बॉइलिंग प्राइमरी amines has the highest boiling point than secondary amines. Secondary amine has higher boiling point than tertiary amine. Tertiary amine has the least boiling point than secondary and primary amine. Is it clear? Okay. आता एक होमवर्क सेट मध्ये क्वेश्चन येणार आहे. CS3 CH2 C double bond O NH2. This is the propane amine. Propane amine. With on reaction, which is reduced using the reducing agent, that is the NaCO2H ethyl alcohol. Okay, or lithium aluminum hydride in ether. Okay, आणि दुसरा एक also same this amide reactant react with Br2 plus aqueous KOH. Okay, to identify the product in both reactions. In both reactions, the initial reactant is same, but the given obtaining product will different. या दोन्ही रिएक्शन मध्ये इनिशियल रिएक्शन सेम आहे, पण ऑब्टेनिंग प्रॉडक्ट आहे डिफरंट आहे. हे ही रिएक्शन तुमच्यासाठी एक होमवर्क आहे. ही रिएक्शन तुमच्या नोटबुकमध्ये होमवर्कच्या नोटबुकमध्ये सॉल्व्ह करायची. ओके, थँक्यू.